What's up? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Johan Lorenzo, and today I want to give you guys some insight into a great deal I've stumbled upon in the stock market. Investing in the stock market today might seem very pricey. It's not easy to find great deals in the market right now. And you might have some cash on the sidelines but have no idea where to put it. Well, guess what? I got you. I've stumbled upon a diamond in the rough, and I'm going to tell you all about it in this video right now. Let's get into the video. Have you ever heard of the name Clorox? I mean, you have, right? I hope you're nodding your head yes, because if you haven't, just send me your address and I'll send you some extra pillows and some bed sheets so you can make yourself a little more comfortable living under that rock. That's the stock I'm gonna buy here today, ticker symbol CLX. You don't get many chances to witness these pullbacks with a company like Clorox. In a market like the one that we're in today, where it's tough to find deals, this is a great one. And before this video is over, we're gonna dive into my Webull portfolio and we're gonna purchase a handful of shares here together. The Clorox company has been on a tear for many years now, but recently over the last year, it is down about 25% from its recent highs. Clorox is a $22 billion market cap. This giant consumer staples company has had a major correction, and with that comes more bang for your buck. You will now get paid a higher dividend yield, which is currently standing above 2.5%. When you buy shares of Clorox now, you're basically getting them for approximately $60 cheaper, but you're still getting the same $1.11 per share as dividend income, which they just actually increased their dividend to $1.16 per share every quarter, making a good situation even better. This is basically one of those deals that's like, buy 3, get the 4th one for free. What it would have cost you a year ago to buy 3 shares of Clorox will now buy you 4 shares. This is a huge discount for long-term dividend investors. Let's take a look at the Clorox company and see exactly how many products they sell. You might be in for a surprise. This is not just some little bleach and disinfecting wipe company. The Clorox company has a global portfolio made up of diverse brands, sold in more than 100 countries in nearly every region of the world. With just a simple Google search, you can see how many well-known brands are a part of the Clorox family. Most of these products are essential, regardless of market conditions. And especially with the Rona still lingering around, it seems like everyone is taking a more serious approach to a clean space to work and live in. So it's time to crunch up some data. Let's go over some of the important numbers that helped me make this decision a lot easier. Clorox has been paying a consistent dividend for over 43 years, and they've been increasing that dividend as well every single year for over 43 years as well. Their payout ratio is a very, very comfortable 48%, meaning 48% of their net income is being paid out as dividends to the people who own the shares of the company. The other 52% Clorox will keep for themselves, and they'll reinvest it in growth, pay off debt, or they'll add it to their cash reserves. The company has also grown its total sales consistently over the last decade, hitting a whopping $7.5 billion in sales throughout the last 12 months. That's their highest year in sales over the last decade as well. A steadily growing business grows its sales over the long term. This shows how healthy of a business the Clorox company is and how sustainable their long-term growth appears to be. They also have a strong operating margin year over year throughout the last decade as well. Higher, more stable operating margins can be a sign of an advantaged business. With its previous high of about $240 per share, I'll take this 25% discount. This 25% discount will allow me to purchase more shares for less money. These shares will pay me a solid dividend that I can depend on for many years, and it will even add more consistent cash flow to my portfolio. With that being said, let's open up Webull and let's buy a handful of shares right now. All right, so here we are inside my Webull portfolio. We're gonna go to the watch list here on the bottom left. We're gonna search for Clorox now. There it is at the top. We're gonna click on it, and on the bottom left, hit trade. And now we're gonna enter this as a market order because I just want my order to get filled right away, to be honest. So now that we have that set up, we're gonna enter the amount of shares and let's do 25 shares. We're gonna click buy on the bottom, and here is the pending order screen, which should be filled very soon because it is a market order. Let's refresh this real quick and boom, there we are, 25 shares of Clorox. With the new dividend of $1.16, these 25 shares will give me an extra $29 in my portfolio every quarter. These extra 25 shares will bring in $116 for the year as of right now. I'm going to continue to add to this position, and my goal is to get this to 100 shares as soon as possible. Before I let you go here, don't forget to smash the thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't. It helps more people stay informed and it helps you stay up to date on the channel as well. I want to thank you all for watching, and hopefully this video gave you some value and helped you find a great deal in a very tough market. With all that said, until next time, peace!